Hello, I'm in a 2016 Chevy Malibu, and today I'm going to show you to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and while the vehicle's turned off and cooled down, this would be where you add your new coolant to. You don't want to work on the system with the vehicle on or hot because this coolant can get to a boil, and a lot of the system also works under pressure, so you don't want a lot of poisonous boiling liquid to shoot out onto you. But to add, you'll just unscrew this cap, and then with your diluted coolant, double check your owner's manual to get online source you've got the best type of coolant for your make and model. And also typically you want to match the same type of coolant and color to what's already in here. It's better not to mix and match if you can help it. But to add, just fill as needed. On the side there's a max mark and a minimum below that, so you don't want to fill all the way to the top. There's supposed to be a decent amount of air gap in here. Once you've added your new diluted coolant, screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And then at this point, I would suggest starting your car for a few minutes to circulate the new coolant. And while that happens, I would check around your engine bay, around the reservoir, the lines, around the radiator and under the vehicle to see if there's any liquid puddling. If that liquid is coolant, that would address maybe there's a leak in that area of the car that needs repaired. And a way to tell that coolant versus like water condensation, for example, is the coolant should have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell. You don't really want it on your skin, but so you have a glove on and feel it, it'll feel slightly slick compared to what water feels like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.